getting into this FVG that I was kind of targeting. I'm up 1,000. I got my last 5 running here. We're up 1,300 per account today. If it went a little higher, I would have scaled it, but for now I'm gonna leave it at 5. I got targets for at least almost 100 points. 100 ticks! 100 ticks! I'm right back in that. The body closure was nice. Yeah, I'm up. Wowzers. I'm up 370 per. Whoa. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pay myself a bit here. Yep. I got filled at 42. That was 30 points. That's nice. I already secured pretty nice there. There's the 300. Well, not 300 yet, but we're getting into this FVG that I was kind of targeting. Continuation. I'm trailing on top of that wick right there. Yep, that's a flip. I'm up 1,000. I put a stop on that wick right there. Yeah, I want to see how we react at 300. Once we lost 40, it was interesting. That little up move took me out by 2 points. We're at the midline of this FVG. That's another partial there at this midline in case it doesn't want to come to 300. Yeah, it's midline of an FVG, so it might not, but there she goes, 300. Ugh, midline of the FVG held, bro. Right. If we catch a treesy though, Maxi, wow. I'm right on top of that. I have one partial on top of that candle. The other one's break even. Hold up though, because I think I could also just go like this and hit one of these, and then boom, now I got more areas of interest bottom side, but I gotta see if it breaks or not. I would really have to break this. If not, I'd keep it flipped the other way. It's that same little this little FVG is just holding, bro. I got partialed out there. I have one more break even at 40. I have 2 micros running at 240 here, but I might just, I have 2 micros still running at break even. They're not at break even, but they're like 3 points in profit, just in case it does want to respect. But let's see. I'm still holding it. I just want to see. I just don't like it. Like, it's not looking too good. I'm trailing on top of that wick now. My last 2 micros. I'm gonna trail there because if this holds, it's just gonna flip. So if the candle flips, it's gonna take me out fully of the position. There's the full down move again. I might trail body now. I'm trailing of that body of that candle. Go closer. I still don't like this is an FVG. This is still bullish area until it gets broken, but we wanted the 300 and it hit 303. We can't complain. Don't be a dick about a tick. We partialed out. I'm fully out of the position there. It's got to break 300. It's got to break 300. It's not bullish yet until it breaks 300. If it breaks 300, it's hella bullish. Until then, I'm not convinced. We got midline like at 45. It looks solid. I mean, I'd have to see a little down wick and then a full flip on the candle would be nice. That's a little down move. Now I would love to see it flip. Let's see. I jumped in at 300, so I want to see if it can hold. Jumped in at 300. 3Z would be amazing right now. ES rejected midline again. Just gotta go, bro. ES slowed down. I hate that. If ES could 3 you know, through 3G through, it'd be nice, but it's kind of lagging, bro. Lagging today. I don't want to lose this 300, bro. I really don't. Like, this is a beautiful break and retest for a continuation, but if it loses it, it's gonna fucking dump us in. I want to see that bit hold. Oh, we're in profits. We're ripping. Oh my god, I'm up 500. I might have to partial here. Nah, but I said what I said. I pulled back to 300 was my entry. That was solid. Now we're holding and going. I might just hold on it. There's the ripper. Come on. We just need a continuation here. I got 5 micros running. Right here. I'm officially just trailed. I might even trail right under that candle and just let it go. I think I'm gonna just let it go. I think actually I'm just gonna place some ones everywhere. Place a little 1 up here. I got my last 5 running here. Stops fucking just sitting here. Look at this. These are where my stops are sitting. I'm trailed. I might even trail 3 up there. Boom. I got 1 micro running. That's it. We're up 1,300 per account today. Fucking sexy. That was beautiful. Good. I still have 1 runner running. I'm still holding a runner, bro, and this runner is running right now. Runner is running. I might even trail it even closer at that point. It's 1 micro. No. Where the fuck did my mouse go? My mouse just died. Fuck. Thank God I have a stop loss in play because my mouse just died. All right, we're good. I still have 1 running. I've still left just 1 running. I'm still holding. Stellar entry. That's a stellar entry. My entry is sitting at 312. Which it slipped me because I wanted 300. When we broke over that 236, I told everyone I want to see a pullback to the 236 and I'll jump in. That should slip me 10 points. Oh, am I gonna get pulled out here? My stop's at 330. If anyone's still in the trade, my last runner's at 330. If it hits that, it pulls me out. was a good exit, bro. That was a good exit. Good exit. Oh, we broke out. I'm still in the trade. 320 ticks of profit. I'm still in that long because I'm fucking him Johnson. All right, Bucko. Don't forget it. No shot. Look at my chart. My chart, Bucko. You think I fuck around on these charts? They call me Himothy for a reason. Call me Himothy for a reason. I'm now trailing. I'm now trailing at 70. I adjusted SL, boys. We're now at 71 adjusted. I'm about to get stopped out. I'm out of the trade. I think I'm gonna check that right there. I think I'm gonna take that. I got in really light. I plan on scaling this. I jumped in really light. If it went a little higher, I would have scaled it, but for now I'm gonna leave it at 5. I got targets for at least almost 100 points. Yeah, I might scale into it. I'm entered at 46, but if I go into drawdown, I plan on scaling it. We could come up to, I need to take these glasses off. I can't see a fuck thing. God damn, it was dark as shit. Am I the only person that can't drive with sunglasses on? I hate it. 100 ticks! 100 ticks! 130. We're fucking moving here, boys. I'm holding this bitch till 569. 200 ticks, 50-point trade. We're moving here. I'm actually gonna partial out here. We're moving kind of fast here. I'm gonna just pay myself a little bit. Let's pay myself a little bit, pay myself a little bit, and then I'm gonna trail one on top of this candle, and I'm leaving the other one break even. And just like that, we just caught 50 points 2 minutes into market open. And guess who has a fucking boner? This guy. All right, that was too much. TP here, guys. I'm TPing at 70, guys. I told you we can go for like 70, 80 points. This was it. This is the guy right here. Gonna let it partial me out if it has to. I already paid myself. Nice. Myself 500 per account. I have 2 micros running right now. Basically nothing. Basically a salad. Basically a salad. See if this candle respects. There's still this FEG here plus midline, so it would have to really start to respect this for it to continue dumping. I love this area here, but I guess I'll give it room just because I already paid myself. Who really cares? Who really cares about 2 micros? Let's get real here. Not me. Get real. I don't. I already paid myself 500 bucks. 2 micros is nothing here. I'm just gonna hold it because I like to play with the structure. But I was a dick about a tick. I was 7 points away from final TP, but it is what it is. I already paid it. That's why I paid myself when I got close. It was crispy, bro, and I really should have took that shit earlier, but whatever. Yeah, I want this FEG to hold. All right, we're still holding 50 points in profit. We're still holding 50 points in profit here. I'm gonna take another one here at 69 if we can get there, but that was the volume push that we were looking for. I mean, other than this, none of this matters to me anymore. None of this matters to me right there. ES is dragging fucking nutsack right now. It's still sitting up top by midline. NQ's kind of showing strength. I don't like that ES is sitting up here. It might not go to my T-Pizzle, but I don't know. If ES gets one red candle after this, NQ's going to T. Back at bottom side on the 5 minute. This is just golden here. Breakout's my TP. I think at the bottom here, just to avoid pullback, I'm paying myself again there. I have 1 micro running full break even. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it. Does it really matter at this point? I don't think so. I'm gonna pay myself at the bottom here. Hold on. The second that we get towards this TP, I'm trailing like right on top of it, because that's where it can give the pullback, which I might look for a buy down here as well after. But once it goes down there, I will be fully break even. Well, I am break even, but I will be trailing like right on top of it. Like I'm right on top of this candle right here. Yep. And then let's see if we get full TP push. This would be the full TP here. There's TP hit right there. So now I'm just gonna leave this candle trailed like this. And that's a full fucking TP for 300 fucking ticks, boys and girls. That's 300 fucking ticks in 8 minutes, boys and girls. Now, if this is gonna bleed through, then I'm gonna be in the trade. If not, it's gonna fully take me out. Simple as that. Holy fucking shit. 330 ticks, max. You don't gotta watch no video. You just gotta watch me and you fucking feel good. You fucking get motivated just watching me. You don't need to watch any bullshit ass videos. You know who you're fucking dealing with. I'm trading right on top of that candle. This Wiccan flip right here is right at my TP. If this flips, I'm out. Boom, we're out of the fucking trade.